Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here in Mysore, Karnataka. The tour was organized by our college. So right now we are here in St. Philemona's Cathedral Church. Let us see together the beautiful church of Mysore. As I walk in the Cathedral Church, they are not allowed to take videos or photos. So I am very sorry for that. This is the right side of the church. So the cinematic church was captured by one of my friends. So you can see how beautiful, and as well I'm enjoying the beautiful space of this Mysore church. Hello guys, this is another spot. This is Mysore Zoo. This is Hornbill Bird and parrot as well. This is another place called Mysore Palace. So now we are about to enter. Let us explore together. As we walk in the palace, we are not allowed to wear our shoes or sandals, so we took out and we are here inside this palace. So you can see how beautiful and how creative, how wonderfully crafted inside this palace. Another blogger, please subscribe to.
Okay, let's watch. Yeah. We too subscribe each other.
Yes. Hey boy.
Hi.
Hi.
What palace is this? I don't know.
Mysore Palace, something like that. Hello guys, this is outside the
And this is
Mysore
Mysore
Palace.
India Gate. See.
So I am going to end my blog here, and please do subscribe, like, share and comment down below, and please continue to support my channel. Thank you everyone.